That's what they want. That's what they want. That's what they This is a song about, well, it's a song for anyone who's lost someone. And a few years ago, I lost my older brother, and I started seeing signs of him everywhere in my life. His nickname was Bird, so I started seeing signs of birds. And I identify as a fiercely cynical person, so I really didn't know whether these signs were sent down as gifts from above, or whether they were just shit that was happening all the time, and finally I was making some meaning. And every single time I reached for meaning, it always fell slightly short of the magic that was the experience of these signs. I guess where I found myself now is that perhaps the true gift is being able to pay attention in the first place. Anyway, this is a song about that. This is called I'm Still Looking. There's nothing new about the rain on the roof this morning. I've heard it all before. It's like the bird outside my window is calling. There might be something more, speaking through the silence of the sunrise. And their song and water have something to say. I don't know if it's you, I don't know if it's me, I don't know who's painting the picture I see. I don't know if it's true, I don't know what it means, but I'm still looking. I'm still looking. There's a 6-year-old standing on the edge of the parking lot. I see his outstretched arms, reaching for his older brother to take his hand and lead him to the car. How can such a casual reflection feel today more like a souvenir? I don't know if it's you, I don't know if it's me, I don't know who's painting the picture I see. I don't know if it's true, I don't know what it means, but I'm still looking. I'm still looking for a sign that you are with me. This voice of yours is more than distant banter. Other people try explaining. I still have more questions than answers. I don't know. I live in Western Massachusetts. I was born and raised in a small town there. I live in East Hampton, which is, most people know Northampton. East Hampton is southwest of Northampton. Makes a lot of sense if you don't think about it. But I live in this old converted factory building. It used to be the home to Stanley Home Products for a long while. And the view out my window is of the old coal smokestack that used to power this factory building, and it's been dormant for about 45 years, and my town is sort of much like the rest of America. It's sort of stuck trying to re-identify itself and what it's going to be next. But this smokestack has since become the reclaimed home to about a dozen birds that live inside of it. And each morning I'll wake up, I'll head over to the window where my piano is, and I'll begin working on whatever melodies I'm working on at the time. And just about every morning, as soon as I start making music, I'll watch as several of these birds, they'll fly out from the very top of the smokestack, and they come and perch upon my windowsill, and they hang out there. It's quite remarkable. So in a strange way, I feel like I kind of wrote this next song with the birds as my sympathetic audience. And this world up here on top of the piano is a loop station and a little keyboard. And I took a sample of the birds outside my window before I left for this tour. So you'll hear them. They'll be featured on this. He goes, he's perched upon my window, balanced for a minute, for a song. And then he leaves for the sky, for a tree, maybe back up to his home where he belongs. Sometimes I wonder, sometimes I wonder what he sees. Feels like the birds are watching me, and I can't explain it. I hear them rustling in the leaves. Birds are watching me. Birds are watching me. On a walk, on a path, I hear finches, I hear sparrows. There's a robin, a red cardinal, and a crow. On a limb, I can see a blue jay in the shadow, and I know that I will never be alone. Sometimes I wonder, sometimes I wonder what this means. Feels like the birds are watching me, and I can't explain it. Birds are watching me. The birds are watching me. He comes, he goes. He's perched upon my window, balanced for a minute, for a song. Say you wish you never met me. That's a real low blow. But nothing lasts forever. People come, people go. But my heart is like a parachute. It opens when I fall. Now you're telling me that everything didn't mean anything at all. It's not like me to wish you harm, but if I can't be in your arms, I want you to cry, fall down.